Okay, where are we going?
Going to the Parrot Island.
Parrot Island.
Yeah, I was thinking that its name is Parrot. Yeah?
I don't know. Let's go check if there's any parrots there. Ooh! Today, we are doing something special.
Yeah, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. First time in my life, and I'm feeling excited.
BJJ. Let's see how Kristina does. So Kristina's shrimping for the first time ever. Come on, prawn. Shrimp, shrimp. Shrimp.
Cutting the blood flow from going to his brain. So I'm not squeezing right now. If I start to squeeze and I squeeze for like more than 5 seconds, he will pass out. So now I will start to squeeze, and you see his reflex immediately is to tap like stop. It's over. I cannot do anything. Three minutes, and then we have 15 seconds rest.
Escape, escape, escape. Escape. Good job, good job. All right, so we just got done with jiu-jitsu. We took a quick shower, but actually we should have just jumped in the water. Like the beach was right across the street.
Yeah.
Okay, next time after jiu-jitsu, straight into the water.
Yeah, you should take sushi. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Mirissa is so beautiful beach.
Yeah.
So let's see sunset.
Okay. You've already forgotten about being tired from jiu-jitsu. Alright, I'll leave my shoes here. Hopefully they're still here when I come back. Okay, where are we going?
We're going to the Parrot Island.
Parrot Island.
Yeah, I was thinking that the name is Parrot. Yeah?
I don't know. Let's go check if there's any parrots there.
There's always too much crazy. No, show me. Beautiful. Oh,
Your hair looks good. How's mine?
it's so beautiful.
Not bad.
It's me.
Alright, so one of the places that you have to go here in Mirissa is this little island, but as you can see, water covers it, and you kind of have to dodge the waves a bit, be here when it's kind of low tide. So it might get a little bit wet, but let's go. Make the way. Not that way. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh my god, it's getting so deep now. Oh my god. Oh, it gets deeper. Okay, we're a bit wet. Oh well.
I had to go first in order to keep your new iPhone safe.
Oh, iPhone 6. This one's waterproof, it's okay.
Turn up the stereo, take a trip, go back in time. Suddenly we see a way out, fix our gaze, don't fold. A sunrise, see ocean, perfect curl to ride on. Then blowing the whistle, we lie in the sand. Summer's here to stay, it's still 100 outside. Fill the air with old songs and lay around. Summer day, can't get enough of the way you make me feel. Summer day, I really wish we had more time to kill. Sobered up, nowhere to go. Play a trick, kick back, unwind. What a dream to see play out. Perfect day, take hold. Descend to wonder. The summer rays still shine on. The sound of the ocean slows time to a still. Summer's here to stay, it's still 100 outside. Fill the air with
treacherous. I made it. Where are we?
So we came to Italian food restaurant.
And gelato.
Yeah, Gelato and Milky Way.
Let's go. It's a beautiful place. I don't know why I've never been there. Ciao bello. How's it going? It's a beautiful place, man. I've never seen it. Virtual hi. Milky Way. So this kitten just jumped on me out of nowhere. But it looks comfortable, so.
It's so cute. Hello, hello, cutie.
Grazie.
Sorry for the hot glass.
And another cutie.
Water is cold.
Oh, okay.
Привет, Тики.
I was confused because I was like, that looks cold. And I was like, how's this warm? It's like a magic trick.
Oh my god, look at this beauty. It's this beauty. It's so comfortable.
I know. So Kristina insisted we order this thing with sardines on it. Oh my gosh. How's it?
So, kind of not bad. It's interesting taste. I would tell that it's interesting. So, like, actually, I like all this like Italian sardines, but I guess here it's difficult to get those Italian sardines. Yeah, but they're really nice.
Fresh sardines, I'm sure. Guys, this is fantastic. I don't know. I never would have ordered this if it wasn't Kristina. I don't even like fish normally, but it's fantastic. It's grilled onions, the bread, the olive oil, and even the fish. I like it. All right, grazie. So this is my lasagna. Oh, this one looks good.
There's some special homemade pasta.
The beans.
Yeah.
What's this called again?
I don't remember. I decided to take something.
Yeah.
I never did try it.
This is the pasta. Enjoy. Alright, so making fresh pasta from scratch here. This is why it tastes so good. Guys, I'm so full, but it was so good. This is incredible. I guess we don't have room for dessert now.
So half of my portion ate you, so I have some space. I saved some space especially for Italian gelato.
Great.
Is it like a gift?
It's a gift because I love chocolate with both of them.
Thank you so much. Grazie, guys. Best Italian food in Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
Sure.
Really Italian
It's fantastic, guys. Now, this is the banana. Very good. This is bellissimo, guys. It's fantastic. Alright, grazie again, ciao bellos. See you next time. Bye. How good was that?
That's so much good.
What are you doing? Let's go home.